Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing gel polishes swatches, and specifically we have these two sets that were sent to me by Kastiny. They are available on Amazon and they're super affordable as well. Speaking of the Amazon, guys, this is the look I created today while I was live streaming, so if you want to join me next time I'm live on Amazon, make sure that you are clicking the link in the down below in the description and follow me there so to be notified when I'm live streaming next. I'm trying to make a schedule and be like 4 to 5 times a week depending on my schedule, because I still want to do the YouTube as well at the same time, so not to overwhelm myself. Sometimes I do just the 4 times a week, but yeah, if you want to tune in and join me live while I do all these creative stuff, and I do not just makeup, I do review things, I show a lot of stuff that I'm getting from Amazon. I don't know about you, but I am a big Amazon junkie. I love Amazon. I get everything from Amazon. Without rambling too much, let's jump into it. We are going to be swatching these two sets. These two sets are coming with 6 color gel polishes. As you can see, there are 6 colors, and then the top coat, the base coat, and then the matte top coat. This color is A012, and I'm going to color, we're gonna color 2 nails. Now I'm gonna try to put very thin coats because I would rather put 2-3 coats for a more vibrant color, rather have them wrinkled up. As you can see, I'm putting it very thin layer. It's a very pretty color. All right, the next is going to be the A011. We put too much color in here, so I'm going to kind of grab from here and add on this side. Next color is A009. Same color, a little thinner layer, and it's a little brighter, you see? And the next one is A008, just like so. The next one is A010. Ooh, this is such a pretty nude. Oh my god. We don't want that much. But oh my god, I already can see, like, on the second layer, it's gonna be so pretty. This one is so gorgeous. This one is A007. Again, I'm gonna do very thin first layer, very thin. Even with one layer, it looks pretty good, isn't it? The reason I'm doing 2 at a time, guys, is I want to see how the same color looks like in matte and, you know, with shiny top coat. Look at all these colors. What? This set is literally for any occasion. All right, but the most important part is they are so different from each other that you kind of can, you know, combine them and create some fun designs with them too. So I'm gonna zoom you out, you guys, and I'm gonna show you the, we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Oop. All right, there we go. Now, the set does come with the top coat and base coat too, so you basically are getting 9. You're getting matte coat, glossy top, and then you're getting the base coat too. So this is just one coat. So we're gonna go ahead and start over. So we're just gonna do the second coat now. Oh my goodness, this color is so pretty on the second coat. What? Oh, I am so excited. Totally gonna use it for some of the nail designs that I'm gonna do on myself. This one is A011. We're gonna do that. Definitely a very pretty color. Very beautiful. And then we are gonna go into our nude. Oh, now I can't wait to see the nude. Like, how will nude look like? There we go. Oh, this nude is so pretty. This red is poppin'. This red is so pretty. I'm gonna do another coat on the red. And then we are going to cure them for 60 seconds. I'm gonna put it in for 60 seconds. So what I wanna do is, I am going to do a shiny coat and a matte coat. So I'm gonna zoom it in. And we are gonna do like shiny, matte, and so on. So we're gonna do a glossy top coat. This one is gonna be a matte top coat. I'm pretty sure the matte coat is not gonna be shown off until we cure it under the lamp. So hold on tight until I'm done so we can see the final result. All right, guys, so there it is. With one coat is shiny and one coat is matte. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds, you guys. So I'm going to cure it in my lamp. And here are the colors, you guys. Oh my God, this is so pretty. They are so pretty. So this is the matte and this is the glossy, you guys. And they are not tacky at all. See, they like top coat is not tacky, not sticky. You can literally wear it and go out. It's very, very, very nice. All right, so there we go. Now, the only thing that I'm seeing right now, the burgundy one, if you wanted matte, I would definitely recommend to have 3 coats. Shiny, it looks just fine for with 2 coats. This one definitely is gonna need 3rd coat if you want it a little more intense for the matte. But other than that, it's actually a very, very pretty color. So I'm gonna show you close. Like, take a look at all these colors. What? Honestly, I am obsessed with the nude, both like the shiny and the matte. And then look at this red. Wow, this red is like that bloody orangey red. My favorite. So pretty. Definitely feel like doing something with the red. Do you guys see it? So pretty. Yes, definitely this one needs 3 coats if you want to use it as a matte, but all the others are just fine with 2 coats. They are so pretty regardless if they are matte or not. Oh my goodness, this purple this purple with matte, and maybe do a design with like shiny top coat. Oh, that would be so pretty. All right, but yeah, all of these colors are amazing. I am so shook. Very, very pretty. And the second is going to be a little more like gray nude. Same from Kastiny. So they do send you the kind of like a little information in there. And then the guidance for the UV or LED light. So depending on what kind of lamp you have, they're good either or. It's just the difference is going to be on the length of how long do you need it underneath. So, and here are the colors. Again, same thing as the other one. We have 6 colors, and then we have top coat, base coat, and then we have the matte coat. So we're gonna do the same thing as I did with the other ones. Okay, so let's start with B001. We're gonna do 2 nails at a time. So we did a little thinner layer on this one compared to the other one. So we'll see how that's gonna pay out. On into the B002. There we go. Perfect. It's a beautiful gray. All right, the next we're gonna go into the B003. That is a little more darker and like a cool tone gray compared to the other ones. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now, don't be judging my skill to to apply nail gel polish. honestly, I am not a pro. Here we go. I think matte coat of this one particularly is gonna be so pretty. As usual, I'm gonna do 2 coats. The next is going to be the B004. And then we're gonna move on to the B005 thing. We're gonna add, ooh, this is such a pretty lavender color. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, this is going to be my favorite for like a matte nail design. Oh my goodness. There we go. Very gorgeous color. So pretty. All right, guys, and the next one is going to be the B006. Look at this pink. So pretty. There we go. But oh my goodness, this is so cute. All right, so these are all the colors in this set, you guys. I think they are so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is definitely more of like a pastel kind of situation. So I'm going to move this away and we are going to cure it for 60 seconds. There we go. All right, so this is only 1 coat, you guys. It's pretty good for 1 coat, I would say, right? Let's do, even though it's pretty good, I like to go the second time to kind of make sure that there are no, you know, I didn't miss anything and so on. So we're gonna start with B001. Going back with the B001. And go ahead and do the second coat. Here we go. It's a gray, but honestly it's like that cool tone gray, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and add a second layer. This one is B002. I love the fact that they have everything, everyone has like every set, it comes like from 0 to 6 or from I don't remember, the other one was I think from like 5 to 11 or something like that. So there we go. That is such a pale, I would say it's like a blush color. So pretty. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see. So here are all the colors from this set. This is 2 coats. All of them are 2 coats. We're gonna cure it right now, and then I'm gonna put the shiny coat and the matte coat, and you can see the difference. This box is so convenient, and I'm always keeping this foam because it kind of, I store mine in a drawer. So I kind of put them in a drawer and keep them on this one. This way they kind of don't rumble around and it's a little more organized. In my drawer, like let me take them out. Like this is how I keep them in my drawer. See what I mean? That's kind of cool, right? So I love this light. Like I keep this foam all the time. And ta-da! Look at these nails. Oop. Look at these beautiful polishes. Oh my goodness. I told you the gray is gonna look so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this gray. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I really like this one. It's like not completely gray, like dark gray, but it has like a little blue-green tint to it. So pretty. All right, so I'm gonna show you each color, how it looks like. Oh my goodness, all of these colors are so pretty. Like these ones are so trendy right now Like this blush is so tender on matte. I really like it how it looks like matte. It's so tender. And this one, oof, so pretty. It's like a lavender. This is all of them. As you can see, there is a shiny coat and a matte coat on all of them. I just wanted to make sure that you guys can see the difference, because you can wear them either or. It depends on, you know, everybody has their own taste and style. All right, guys, which set was your favorite? I feel like it's going to be really hard to pick another color or like a nail design next, because they are so pretty. I'll probably end up with a rainbow or something on my nails next time. But yeah, I'll definitely leave the link to these products in my description box if you want to grab yourself one. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!